Alright, so here we are at beautiful Canyonlands National Park after driving over 3,400 miles to get here. Well, mind you, it might not have been straight here, but nonetheless, the destination was always here. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to let you in on the worst kept secret. This is my favorite national park and home to my favorite spot in the world. To be fair, the other national parks probably never got a fair shake to be my favorite because this was the first national park I visited, so because of that, it holds a special place in my heart. I will be honest, others have come close. I'm looking at you, Zion, and I reserve the ability to change my mind once I visit all of them. Again, I'm looking at you, Yellowstone. But to me, it's just too hard to beat this view here at Grand View Point Overlook. First of all, I'm a huge fan of red rocks because where I live is green grass and trees, so it's just so different from what I've seen in life. Second, just the height above everything of where you stand here at the end of the trail is just so awe-inspiring. The 1,500-foot cliffs around the island just give it a unique feel of being on top of the world that I've never quite experienced anywhere else. It really makes you feel like you're at the edge of the world. So I'd highly recommend visiting this area if you haven't already, and if you have, let me know what your favorite parts of the park are as well. There are so many more places in this park I would love to explore, and I would love to have any recommendations you would care to give. Also on that note, I'm always trip planning, so please give me recommendations on parks I should visit or other places as well. I'm not just saying this, I really do take note and try to incorporate things into upcoming trips. If you are more interested in this hike to the Grand View Point Overlook, I have 2 full hikes in 4K on my channel, and one of them is even in 360 where you can move the camera around, so make sure to check those out if you're interested. From here though, we will head home, so look forward to those upcoming videos. Again, thanks for all the support, I couldn't do it without you guys. But for now, I'm going to wish you a good rest of your day, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.